So the purpose of this Matlab code is to take any matrix of numbers as input and output a sorted matrix that sorts each row of the matrix from smallest to largest. So you can see I made a couple mock matrices here, and they're all from each row is largest to smallest. So the purpose of this is to flip these, basically. So how I did this was, I used the size function to get the number of rows and columns, and define matrix A, just make space for it here. And I decided to use for loops for this just because I think for loops are the easiest to use. So I needed 3 for loops for this one. So this is my innermost loop right here, this entire thing. So this is where the comparison happens, and it will compare 2 consecutive numbers in a row and swap them if needed. So this innermost loop will run through an entire row one time. So that's why I had to make this second loop, so that this inner loop will run through the entire row the number times the number of column numbers. So basically, once this one runs, now it will sort the entire row. This one will run through the entire row once, and after this one runs, the entire row will be sorted. And then the outermost loop is just for the number of rows. So once it comes back to this loop, then it will, I becomes 2, it goes to row 2, and I, all in here, becomes 2. And so this will move to the next row, and then this inner loop will sort the entire row and continue. So a couple of examples. So matrix X, so yep, it swapped them, they're all smallest to largest. Yep, and that's it.